If you like to stay in Airbnbs that are far away from the hustle and bustle of everyday life and help out unwanted animals, then this is the place for you. Little Bear Sanctuary was established in 2017 when Chris and his partner Randy took a chance on a long-time dream and purchased a 30-acre property in Southwest Florida. This was no ordinary home purchase, though. Chris and Randy wanted to create a safe space for abandoned and abused agricultural animals to live out the rest of their lives in peace, free of cages. With the support of the community members and total strangers alike, Chris and Randy have been able to love and care for over 200 different animals at the sanctuary over the years, and they have big plans to help countless more.
Oh, he's so pretty.
Chris stated, "How do I really want to spend the remainder of my life? And what is my ultimate passion?" He says, "I couldn't get animals out of my mind, and every thought I had led to specifically rescuing farm animals and opening a sanctuary." The day I arrived, they were bringing in a new rescue pig that was extremely overweight. The amount of love, guidance, and patience they give to these animals is just unmeasurable.
You're almost there.
Good job.
Frankie will now be in her forever home.
Hello. You're so pretty.
Each animal has their own name and a distinct personality of its own. Little Bear Sanctuary is completely non-profit, and you can sponsor one or more of these sweet darlings yourself by contributing to their website or Facebook page. I loved getting to ride around with Kelly and being up close and personal with all the animals during the feeding process. The vintage Airstream that I stayed in was decorated with tons of retro appliances and beautiful bold red colors. And of course, all proceeds coming in from Airbnb also go to feeding and caring for the animals. If you'd like to donate, please head on over to their Facebook page at Little Bear Sanctuary or their website at littlebearsanctuary.org. You can also help by booking your stay at Airbnb, and all links will be provided down below.